In this video, I will share 5 more powerful Google Sheet formulas that you can use to work smarter. Here the first formula, upper. Change text into all capital letters. Type this formula. The text hello in small letters is now converted into capital letters. Now the second formula, lower. Changes text into all small letters. Type this formula. The text hello in capital letters is now converted into small letters. Here's the third formula, left. Extracts characters from the beginning of a text. Type this formula. This will return the first 4 characters of the text. Now the fourth formula, right. Extracts character from the end of a text. Type this formula. This will return the last 3 characters of the text. And finally the fifth formula, LEN. Counts how many characters are in a cell. Type this formula. It tells you the length of the text, including spaces. These 5 formulas are very useful when working with text in Google Sheet. Try them out and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.